club was founded actually in 1971, and when you think of the political upheaval that was going on within Belfast, across the whole city, it wasn't exactly the most universally popular thing to do was to start a club up in South Belfast. Across the club we have, I think it's 36 odd teams, we have 158 coaches, so it is a huge beast of a club to provide all the pitch space for, the coaches for, just everything that goes with it. Like the ethos of the GAA in particular is community, being able to tap into the community plus support the community. But there's ourselves, there's all the sports clubs, Rosario Soccer Club, the Ormeau Boxing Club. The three clubs got together and we set a food bank up in the local parish hall. We distributed over £80,000 worth of food. None of the clubs could exist without the support of the local community. So it's so important that the clubs also see what we have to support back into the local community. It's not a take-all, it has to be take and give. And that is the most important ethos that has always been part of the foundation of Breda as a club. Most other clubs in the country own their own facilities, have their own club, which gives them that focus. Like, it's not that we're homeless. We have a home within Cherryville here. We share it with other clubs, in particular St Malachy's. But to do all these things without actually owning your own pitch, I think is an achievement in itself. Going forward, I just want to cement our place within the community and continue, right across the board.
The respect the club has, and not just within the South Belfast community here, but right across the Ulster GAA, is unbelievable. And it's down to this man. The heart and soul, I talk about heart and soul, Malcolm talks about heart and soul. Heart and soul has to come from the top, and this man has espoused that. So it's my privilege, Malcolm, to give you this award. It is really well deserved. Good man.
Thanks well done, much, John. Thank you.
Delighted boy for you.
It's an honour to receive this award today in recognition of all the works we've done over the last number of years.